Get your tack removing tool just under the back window there, or anywhere along the line, just gently, and I mean gently because you'll damage the glazing, just find a little gap and just pop the roof up like that, and then the roof comes off like so. And we're left with the glazing. And be gentle with this, because you've got all the gubbins and everything. So lift up like that. So we'll need some shimming around to get it out, because you've got this under the background, under the back there. So that's the door off. That's the racks off and everything. And I think it's the racks that's holding it in place, so you're gonna have to be a bit brutal to get it off. And there you go, that's the glazing out. The front door off. The roof off, which is not bent at all, which is good. And now all we've got to do now is just drill the rivet out. So I'll get my drill out. There's two rivets. One there and one there. So now we're just going to drill them out. Door goes there, so if we just get the tack removing tool just under like so, and gently prise up as you go along, look. There you go, that prises that out. Now that's released, we can get the back window out. There you go, the back window. And of course, tack removing tool for the wheels, like so. Just a gentle waddle and come off. And there you have it. Now this is ready to go into the stripper. Get all the old paint off so it can be cleaned up, primed, and everything like that. And I noticed this one's got a bit of blistering on it, metal fatigue, so that will need treating on that. So there you go, that's taken apart the Dennis Dart Corgi Original.